Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see when you start following someone on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Do you ever wonder when you started following someone on Instagram? Maybe you followed them long ago and forgot, or maybe you want to see how long they've been following you. It can be hard to keep track of all of your followers, and it can be challenging to remember when first started following someone if you have a long list of followers. Whatever the reasons, it's easy to find out when you first following a person on Instagram. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can choose account that you want to see when you started following them. As example, I will see from my following. I will see this account. You can open profile from that account. Now you can tap on the three dots on the upper right corner here. Now tap on see shared activity. And you can see when you start following this account. You can see when that account follow you and when you get follow them back, or when you start following them and then follow you back. Here's the date when this account started following me, and this the date when I start follow back them. So that is how to see when you start following someone on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!